right, we're back at the bug.
Yeah.
Came back, looked at the bug. We're going to cut down some of these trees. We brought a trailer, a winch, and we're going to winch it and cut it out of here. I got George on the camera. He's going to film some of this. And me and Harlan are going to clean up the area.
Yep.
And
cut the brush
get
and move
this
it out
old
of the
bug
way.
out of here. Pop that off. Come on in here, George,
Yep.
and walk around this bug and take a quick look at her. See what we found out here in the woods.
She's a 59.
And we're going to cut a bunch of this out
All
and pull
original.
these things out of here.
Original black car. Look, it's got the Wolfsburg crest on the hood. It's got
Yeah.
the smaller turn signals and the
Yeah.
eyebrows on it. This is a 59 VW build, original black. And it doesn't look like anybody's messed with it at all.
So it's just been sitting forever.
So we're saving it. And then if you look over here, there's a 71. We're saving that
That's
one
parts
too.
car. We're going to pull it out and
And then-
take everything.
Back there's a Porsche 944, about a 71, 72. We're gonna grab that too.
Yeah, right in there. And we're going to pull it out and see if we can utilize any of the undercarriage and the motor and see if we can utilize it for parts.
It's got its Porsche alloys on it.
Yeah, it has a few different things on it that are, you know.
I hope
So,
we find the rear bumper.
but it's been without windows for a long time. It's pretty rotted inside.
It's convertible.
And we're going to see what we can get out of it.
All right, let's cut some trees.
Cut some trees down.
So call me dude. My name's Harlan.
What's the matter with calling you dude?
The way you say it. 4 more feet. Come on.
Just a bug.
All right. You can come more if you want. All right.
What are you doing?
All right.
I got a glare from the sun and I can't see anything.
You can come back further if you want, but I
I
thought
don't think so.
I thought we'd just drop all this brush with the door.
Lay it down, see what we got. I can't see from the sun coming in the mirror.
You're fine. Yeah, man.
Man, the mosquitoes are a nightmare. What?
Just enjoy yourself, dude.
I am.
There.
Am I the only one that feels the trailer
I'm
shaking?
gonna have to pull forward, dude.
Okay.
Look, the trailer's binding up because the wheels don't turn. I don't know, you can try, I doubt it. I gotta pull forward a little more.
You'll pull forward and get up on it.
You need to turn the wheel back.
Now the wheels are turning.
It's turning now.
Stop, stop.
They weren't turning, now they're turning. Oh, no shit. All those years.
All 4 wheels are turning.
No shit, George, get down there. All this time this thing grew trees, and there's freaking air in the tires. Look at this shit. It's got trees all around it.
Yep.
It's got a full air tired up.
Yep, that tire's got air. All the wheels
Turn the
roll.
wheel and drive it in here.
Look at all these trees. Spider nests too.
Get on the car, George.
I'm filming the environment it was born in. If that makes sense. And the license plate still looks like it could work. Yo, dude, it says 85 on the license plate. You can still read it out.
Over that way, something. Over. We can use the wedge to pull the other one out.
Do you want?
Let's go ahead and pull the other one out, sure. But we can't get it in this trailer.
We could
No,
try.
it'll crush it. We're just not going to get 2 cars in this trailer.
No, I wasn't saying that.
But get it out so we can
we're
come
all
back.
backed up
Yeah, we
right
could
in the
try.
spot, and it's supposed to be raining and shit. That's something we haven't even opened up, have we?
No. Filming?
Yeah.
We haven't opened this up at all.
That's the original 36 horsepower motor. Sure is.
Yeah.
Bunch of brown recluses, man. Look, that air cleaner, that little squat little pot air cleaner, that oil bath is a real hard one to find. Look at all those brown recluses.
You can't even see them all on camera.
No, we're gonna take it down and pressure wash it and clean it all off and.
Get all the
You'd never be this lucky.
Nah, that thing's locked up, man. It's just, it'd probably free inside if we oil it all up, but it just pulleys different shit from sitting.
59 original.
And it was sitting with trees growing around it, guy.
That bumper's around here somewhere, man.
We'll look around, we'll go through
Look,
shit and try to find stuff.
Set of the snowflake
Come on, George,
taillights.
walk in there and you can see the couple other things maybe a little more clear. And these been sitting in this woods, you see, trees growing up. I mean, 10, 15, 20 years. It's been a long time.
With all the light in the way now, you can see both. Oh,
Crawling
dude, there's a
up under
bone.
this shit.
There's a few
How
bones.
we doing this one, Harlan? It's got nothing.
Do we need this one?
You gotta jack it up and we gotta get a wheel on it
It's
and
got
all.
a transmission, it's a set of wheels, it's a full set of fenders. You got
Yep.
that spare fender at the shop. I've got
I
this.
wanna jack it up and get that out.
I've got 2 other cars that are this year, so between the 3 cars, there'll be a complete drivable automobile.
Alright, let me start cutting trees down on that side.
Okay.
And
Your
what do you say we...
rear seat is making
Yeah. Well, we gotta jack this up. What'd you hear?
good motorcycle.
Okay. You just look funny. Anyway, jack it up and put something on it to roll it in there.
Yeah, there's bones over here. And the gyro's gonna go.
Alright, I'm gonna cut these other trees down
There we go.
and see if we can pull this around through here.
Alright.
Or you wanna cut some trees down?
No, I'm gonna tree cutter. I'm gonna haul it, but let me get your parts out of the way here. for you.
Alright.
Alright, I think I'm gonna back the trailer up over this way and pull the thing sideways.
I'm gonna try to knock that stump down a little bit. That's gonna be in our way no matter what. You got it.
Man, that's where I hit rocks and shit. Fuck.
Let's see what's over there. Glass. The windshield. Brown recluses. There's rocks. Some glass.
More brown recluses, more glass.
Some
Pull
windshield.
that out of the way.
That's the windshield from the forest fire.
That can't be.
Whoa, ants.
Yeah, it probably was.
I mean, it looks.
The plastic in between the windshield is like decomposed. I don't really want to try to cut that stump out. It's
Yeah.
gonna kill this chainsaw, but the chain again.
It's very much in the way.
Alright,
Try to just give it a haircut.
I can just give it a haircut.
Alright, well, I guess we're gonna try to get the Porsche out now.
Yeah, okay, you're off the stump. Okay, now back up to the other spot.
What?
I'd say we pull up and move to the other spot.
I agree.
Okay,
Unhook it.
okay.
There's trees in the way. Yep, they've made progress, that's for sure.
I mean, if yes.
Here we are, we're trying to pull it out as much as we can. Yeah!
That's fine.
Woo! We did it. For now.
You can go a little more if you want.
I don't
got the
know,
bug
man.
in
I gotta
there.
see what's in front of me. Can I get out that way?
I
Or
mean,
is there a ditch?
It's fucking good, you know.
I don't know if you
What?
can get out from the front.
Right there is good. We're out.
Yeah,
Mhm,
but I mean,
we're
can we
good.
go straight, George? No, it's the old dude in the nursery. The old dude? Yeah, keep it cut.
Yeah, the wheels are turning nicely.
It keeps going that way.
Yeah, we're in the door. We need to go forward a little bit. Yeah.
Are we all the way? Can we shut the door?
Yeah, we can shut the door from here.
What was that?
It's pulling to the one side. I didn't hold it over.
All right.
Because usually I tow from the middle, never on an arm.
Okay.
So you got,
Yeah.
it rolled it up on one side. I ain't even strapping it down. Let's take a shit.
I don't think we need to with
That
4 flat
fucker ain't
tires.
moving. Fucking wheels barely move.
Yeah.
Man, you can put the wedges under the front. I'd have to really lock it up to get it to move. Yeah,
Let me throw the.
Alright.
there's some wedges under it, and we're gonna hit the road and come back and get the other one.
Alright. Looking good, guys. Looking good.